If you come across this video, make you not fail to like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe. So today I want to talk about that Lekki wey be say they kill a lot of youth, when they go protest, where our youth, this our new generation, they say they no go sit down, make the government just they eat everything without doing nothing for the country. And that Lekki toll gate, now there they make a lot of money. So the youth wey dey Lagos say no, as Lagos government no want to do something for the country. They don't make everybody enjoy that money as Nigeria get the money, so the resources dey there. Say now only some group of people want to enjoy that with their children, and the other people, that is the citizen of the country, the poor people, the people where their papa no get chance to dey for the position, make their children dey eat. I don't know that make them dey eat grass or I not understand, or how they want to go school, we not understand, because all these rich people now when they make this money, they go carry their children, they go abroad. So our youth say they no go green. Our youth say they no go here this time. Say if waiting their papa are supposed to do, wait for them not do one. Their generator, their forefathers not do one. Now they go do one for themselves and they go do one for their own children when they come for their generation. So this our young lady carry video, go join people, carry a phone, begin to record it, let in friends there for YouTube, for Facebook, not YouTube, for Facebook, make them they see. Say if they not get time to come protest, not be problem. It go stand protest for them. Say what this our politicians no, what did they do to them no good. Imagine they not get free education. Imagine they not get health care. Imagine the road not dey fine. And at that place that they make a lot of money, that toll gate there. So the youth say no, we go come outside, we go block her. Then this video, one I go see so. Now the time we said they never send police, they go they shoot all the youth. So we gonna wash.
Hey guys, I walked away from the crowd. I want to show you guys something. I'm walking towards the toll gate. For those who don't know, who don't understand how this toll gate, Lagosians will understand, sha. But for those who do not understand, I want you to understand this. You see this toll gate, bar? You see this toll gate? The Lagos state government makes millions. Money, millions daily. Millions are made from this toll gate daily. There's one time they said about 38 million daily. I'm not too sure of the figure. About 38, I'll be 40 million. Can't remember. Daily on this toll gate. Lagosians will understand, they know this. So you see, we shut down this place. No activity. We shut it down. Yes, so. We shut it down. Yes, we shut down this place. No activity here. No activity. I want Tinubu and Sanwo-Olu. Today money is out of it. Tomorrow we will continue. The government is losing revenue from here. So I just want to show you guys, no activity here. The toll gate is shut down. Shut down, shut down, shut down, guys. Just for you to see, shut down, shut down. Someone will come and address us. Buhari will address us. We didn't vote in the police. We don't have business with the police. Hey guys, just so you know, man, this place is shut down. Shut down. Nothing they happen. We shut down the toll gate, man. We shut down the toll gate. Nothing they happen here. No activity for today. All the money that they make, they go make money. They will not still use it to take care of us. Maybe they know Kukuma make the money, eh? Hey guys, we are standing up for country. Some of you are not privileged to be here, or some of you are not opportune, or some of you are too busy to be here. No wahala. We are standing in for you guys. If you can't be on ground, share. If you can't be on ground, post. If you can't be on ground, tweet. For all my friends here, my 5,000, 15,000 friends on Facebook, I stand for now. I come here, come protest for now. You don't need to be here, guys. I'm here for you guys. I'm coming here to stand up for you guys. I'm representing you guys right here. Justice for Jimoh. Justice for Jimoh. Justice for Jimoh. Justice for 8 other people who were killed in Ogbomosho. Justice for Jimoh. Like I said, I walked away from the crowd behind me. I walked away. I want to come and show you guys the toll gate where activity has been grounded. Like I said, the Lagos government makes about 40 years. Maybe it would have been more than that, because this was like from 4, 5, 6 years ago. let's assume they make like 50M every day. That one don't go. That one don't go. That to show that we have power. Our generation, we have power. We must realize the power we have. Okay, make una see toll gate. I don't they talk too much, man. We shut it down, man. Shut down. Activity is not going on here. No activity. No kobo is made here today. No kobo. The government will remember us for this day. Lagos State government remember us. Tinubu will remember us that we shut down Lagos. You know, there was a time when these toll gates were, people came to protest here and the Lagos State government shut down everybody. And no protest has been successfully carried out here. But man, my generation shut down this place. No activity. No activities. Unfortunate that commuters will have issue. But if we don't stand up for Nigeria, when are we going to stand up? So guys, I walk down this way so that you guys will see. We are shutting down Lagos. We are standing up for you guys. For those who can be on ground, we are on ground for you guys. Don't let anybody guilt trip you. We where they ground, we there for now. We stand for. No everybody go protest. We there here now. When of you protest, share. Tweet. Post. So I'm at the toll gate just to show you guys. No activity here, man. No activity. Okay, guys. Close. They say close. Shutting down Lagos, man. Yes, so. Lulu, I see you all. Okay, let me show you guys the other side of the road, the Victoria Island side. We are on the Lekki side of it. This is the Victoria Island side of it. Everybody here is a protester. Everybody here is standing up for Nigeria. This is the other side of the road. Toll gate shut down, Lagos shut down.
When I don't hear from her, I really dey proud of our youth. You see, he come outside, even though if his friends did not get time to come outside, he said come outside, and he do it for his friends, he do it for his family, he do it for his children to come, he do it for his generation, he do it for those people be say the police, SARS, they don't kill, they just meme them, friends and family. So he say na there, he come out for. He say this must stop, corruption must stop, because they no go fit dey stay for country, be say they get money, where the money not dey spread. When not dey spread, we not know the Buhari way dey there. Imagine the off light for protesters in every country. The youth are in that is the youth. The youth are the government. That is the government. I will put up. The youth is in the country. Without team together or you not listen to the youth, you cannot rule the country. Because the youth have to come out when they are seeing something that the government or the president are doing is not good. They have right to come out and protest. So why you go carry police, carry your army, una come off the light, una come begin to shoot. Come see a lot of young people will die. See the way they shoot our boys, them, their brain shoot head, brain come outside, belly, everything. It was horrible. That is, these our Nigeria politicians. Now, what did they heart? Now, man, they rule this country. I be now the person who that is because what did they do? So they even worse than what the devil could do. They just have the heart of stone. They kill the people just because they say they're not quiet again. They kill the people. We say. They kill the people because people come out to talk say Nigeria is rich. Why we go they suffer? Why our children go they enter, they go for another man land, they suffer, they go through stress. Why our children go they outside country? It's sure they don't tire for Nigeria. If you come Europe here, they give other countries, but Nigeria no, because why? They give them a zoo. Another country, Nigeria, they give them. Why? Because they know say Nigeria is a very rich country. Nigeria is the giant of Africa. So I am very proud of our youth. Although some go die, you understand? Although some of them go die, it's true. When you are fighting revolution, some must lose their life, but they are doing it because they cannot see that they will suffer. Their father suffer, them too go suffer. Their own children when they come go suffer. That is all these politician children. They'll come they rule over on that. They don't take all the money. So they will start for all those the Babangida and Basejo, and all these others. politicians wey be say they no care for the masses, they no care for the people. They just, you understand, I don't know how I go put am. Some people are very greedy. Sometimes ago na so I see video where they hide money, they hide Nigerian money wey be say till the person hide am come forget say hide money, the money come spoil. That money, if you share am around, e go reach enough to feed people. You no go see any poor person for Africa like the way e dey for Europe. Europe, you no dey see poor people. Anybody wey see say sleep for outside, na him own, na him willing to, na him willing, him or she na willing to sleep for outside because na him decision. You understand? Because government dey there to take care of everybody. Imagine here wey be Europe. So, if you just born pikin, the day wey you born pikin, so the next month they go begin to dey pay the pikin money. They get children benefit, they get parents benefits. Nigeria can do it, but because of the selfishness of Nigeria, the selfish and the greediness, everybody won't take the money. Imagine, the devil Buhari devil dey talk self. You know, devil dey talk concerning the youth wey dey kill. He dey talk that he dey talk. I not just understand what he dey talk. You know, if they talk concerning the people who lost their children, because it's not his own children. The children they abroad. They drive big cars. You know, for those people who lose their children. Imagine a woman was crying. The daughter make the last breath before she died. She say the police, the SARS, they shoot her because waiting. She's standing for her children, her generation. She's standing for the right. So let the people know, let the new generation who will come tomorrow know that she died for the land. A lot of our youth blood are crying for the Nigeria politicians. So we where would they here, we where would they abroad, would they speak for our generation back home. And we too, we want to go home. We want to go back home where eyes have opened. Our eyes have opened. Europe, Africa have money more than even Europe. But because of the greediness, they don't want to share. They like to see person, they do sa. They follow them like mumu, sa. They give them small, chichi for corner. They put body guide. So we are 100% support of our youth, and we would say, "Mukuna, stop killing our youth. Too. They have right to take what belongs to them. It's their fatherland. Stranger cannot just come to your land and take what belongs to you. No, I'm here. Like I always say it, you cannot take the people here. We are stranger. Anything they give us, we take, we accept, we appreciate it because our country cannot even give us pinch. So, we stand gidigba, we support our youth, we dey in team, we will not let tribalism scatter us. We are one, and let us fight and take our country back. Let us make Nigeria a great country again. If Nigeria cannot come together, let us separate. Let everybody separate and take care of their resources and use their resources. Waiting, because everybody have their own resources, you know. Not even the North, God give them their own resources so that we take care of themselves. But because of selfishness, you see I don't want to say Awusa, the Fulani, they say this Bayelsa oil they go take Delta oil they go take but you have your own. Take your own. So we stand gidigba. Stand for our. This is the opportunity for us to stand with our youth. You know, in any way we will feel support them in prayer, in advice, and so. But we don't want blood. We don't want blood. Is enough. They should stop killing these young boys, because if they kill all these young boys now, I don't understand why the devil they give order to go and shoot the young boys. When you kill them now, what will be your benefit? You use their money to begin to marry young girls or go to outside country to marry or what? So my people, this is now the message when I get today concerning this Lekki toll gate, where the town will be say they never are waiting, begin to they shoot people there, they shoot our youth there, they shoot our protesters there, they shoot our revolution, because we all stand for revolution. Good country, good Nigeria, and good Africa. So everybody could benefit. Even we will go back and will benefit. Our children too will benefit. It is a shame when you tell your pikin, say, you come from Nigeria, and tell you, in Nigeria they have war in moments. So it is a shame. So we should stop killing our youth and stop killing ourselves and put it together and stop this selfishness, greediness, and share together with your country people, share together with your citizens. So thank you for watching, thank you for liking. Please do not fail to subscribe, do not fail to put your comments there, do not fail to share as you do. May God bless you. Thank you. See you on my next video. Choose. Love you guys. Choose.